This is Cooking with Kaleigh. We're going to be making coleslaw with this cabbage I picked myself. And, well, this is how you do it. So this is our coleslaw. We put my cabbage, some purple cabbage, and some carrots. Now we're going to mix it all up. Now I'm going to put an apple cider vinegar in. Now I'm done with the apple cider vinegar. Now I'm going to put in lemon juice. And now I'm going to put in some veganese. And now I'm going to put in celery salt. Now I'm going to put in black pepper. Now I'm going to put in garlic. You need to put in a little shakes of garlic. And now you have to stir it again. And now this is your coleslaw. So this is your finished coleslaw. You can taste test it or you can just eat it. We made coleslaw because cabbage is my favorite. And well, I like cabbage because, well, it's good. Now I'm going to try it.